Okay, so we are going to start our Valentine's Day project. Basically taking this tuning sign from our Christmas decoration, our Christmas light, and we are going to change it into a Valentine's Day hat with lights. So you need your corrugated plastic.
And then
I think you need some pixels. These are 5-volt pixels.
And then we have some tools, and we're making some holes.
Okay, so we're going to start by making the hat. Measuring tape, a drill bit to make the holes in it, and the strips, the strips to help us measure it. Okay, and some paper cutters to hopefully help us cut the coral. It's the same thing, Eva. Go.
Okay, so we're making stuff for Valentine's Day, and we're making stuff with tools we need for grown up like dads and moms. So let's start out with Easter Monday Day and Valentine's Day.
Okay, so you make your project. I'm trying to make my project here. So
shoulders. Your shoulders.
I wasn't showing it, I just had to pick it up. No, you can go ahead and show it.
And we have this one I didn't cut out much good. This one.
Okay.
And we got this one I was just cutting out. So, done. Making more hearts. I'm out of the screen now.
Yeah, where are you going?
Making more hearts. I'm making a blood heart.
What? How many hearts do we need?
I'm making 6 hearts.
Oh yeah?
So it can be a really good Valentine's Day for us.
Okay. Because you have a lot of hearts?
Yeah, right here.
I have a little bit and then my heart might be real. Yay!
It will not be real.
Hey, do you like my heart so far?
Yes.
Okay, thank you. You're always kind and patient with your words. Are you ready? No, it's not quite cut right.
I want to try.
Try what? Watch your finger. You have to be gentle. No, wait. You got it. Are you ready to see our hat? Ta-da! That's our hat. That's our hat. Now we have to make holes in it and put our pixels in
But
it.
there's a hole right there.
Yeah, we have to make a whole lot of holes.
Hole.
Okay. So a little bit of adjustment to use this. So we have, you know what I'm doing, right, Eva?
Yes.
What am I doing? No, put that one down. What am I doing, Eva?
Cutting the rest off.
Why? What am I doing with it? What I'm cutting? What do you think I'm doing?
Cutting the ends off.
Yeah, I know, but okay. So after I cut my hat, what am I going to do?
Put holes in there.
Then maybe we're putting lights in them. Yeah. These lights, the pixel lights, pixels, 5 volts. Remember we put it out on Christmas, our Christmas light that can dance. Remember? Yeah, that's what we're doing. All right, let's put the light down. Okay, you do your heart, and I will continue to do my project. Okay, so that's good. Now we have to clean up a little bit so that there's space for everyone. Because we're working with a very small space. Yeah, I know.
Move the stuff over here now. I'm gonna get my stuff for my knee.
Okay. All right. So now we have a cat.
I think I know what you're doing. I folded it. Ta-da! Fold it like this.
Wow, this is big. I think you're even going to get. All right, first let's mark around it. And then
I didn't even know it came like this. And what is this called?
a ruler. So right now we have 30 pixels. We have 20 left that we can use somewhere else. What do you think? If how do we use the 20? Do we just spread it across or do another, or maybe we do a smaller heart and what are you drawing?
Another small heart.
But it has to be big enough for the, okay, draw your small heart. That is the smallest heart I've seen.
Right there.
Alright, so Sam, did you have an idea? Is that what you're trying to tell me? Okay, enough drawing. Oh, you know what? We could take one of your hats
And then put it right there.
and use it.
Hey!
No, we won't leave it. We'll just use it to trace where we want to go.
No, keep it on.
No, wait. This is the back. This is amazing. You know what we'll do?
I know.
We are going to tape some of your. Oh, this has become bigger project. You know what we are going to do?
I know.
Okay, so your hat is, you're going to write your Valentine's Day messages in your hat and we'll tape it to the front. Okay? Because the lights are going to be outside here, then the middle will be with the messages that you have. Right, Eva? Okay? So
Well,
now.
we're going to do them with the heart and we're doing it on the back to
Some.
see the messages on
You
them.
like, you can be eating now. Camera can.
I'm not like glue it now. I need to put this one.
That is good for a demonstration.
Okay, now we
we're
plug
going
it
to
in.
plug it in.
Wait, where is this supposed to be plugged into?
That's the end. It doesn't need to be plugged in.
Oh! Hallelujah! Okay, now I'm gonna press. Wait, I pressed red.
Right, that's something that we discovered yesterday. It's
That's the only one.
it is backwards. So it's doing, instead of
What?
RGB, it's doing GRB. So when you press the red, it's going to be green.
And then when I press
Green is going to be red.
But blue and white are the same.
Right.
Wait,
Guys, I had to
wait, I think I just
it
can
big,
use this.
or then you
Oh!
couldn't see it.
Oh! Dun, 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 dun,
So
dun.
there it is. That's our Valentine's Day project with a pre-made
Oh, wow.
controller. Hopefully your mom loves it. You like it? Alright.
But the next video will probably be using this one. I don't know how they use it.
So yeah, that's the microphone that we're going to use.
But how do